Are you tired of water spills, dust buildup, and wet umbrellas soaking the inside of your Tesla Model Y Juniper door pockets? These small problems can quickly make your driving experience feel messy and frustrating. Introducing the Tesla Model Y Juniper door pocket liners. This set is made from high-quality, baby-safe thermoplastic elastomer material. It is fully waterproof, odorless, easy to clean, and backed with Velcro so it fits snugly without sliding around. Let us install it step by step. First, the left front door. Gently slide the liner into the pocket and press it firmly. The Velcro will hold it tightly in place. No tools are needed. Next, the right front door. Align the liner, press it in, and it locks securely. No more movement or noise when driving. Now, the right rear door. Slide in the liner, and if needed, you can cut around the clearly marked area to preserve access to the emergency door release switch. For the left rear door, the process is the same. Push it in, and the Velcro fastens into the pocket with a precise fit. When it is time to clean, simply pull the liner out. It removes easily and can be reinstalled just as smoothly. Watch this quick test. We pour water into the liner and nothing leaks through. Your original door pocket stays completely dry. With all 4 door liners installed, your Tesla looks cleaner, feels better, and stays protected from dirt and spills. You can choose to buy just the front 2, the rear 2, or the full 4-piece set. The purchase link is in the video description below. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more useful Tesla accessories and easy installation videos.